This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Lindsay Cowden. The first of 3 brand new townhomes in the heart of South Hill, unlike anything you've seen before. This restoration hardware-inspired home boasts impeccable craftsmanship, 3-story floor plan west / captivating bay views and abundant natural light, creating an inviting atmosphere. You will be delighted by the amazing designer details featuring high-end appliances, quartz countertops, custom tile, custom cabinets, RH fixtures and lighting. Entertain in style, where elegance meets modernity. Top floor living with walkout deck. Main floor features your own sophisticatedly designed primary suite. This architectural gem is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Close to Boulevard Park, Taylor Dock, Fairhaven and downtown Bellingham. For more information, review the details below.